Hello and welcome to the Canadian Immigrant YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest immigration news from Canada. If you like these type of videos, consider subscribing to the channel, joining our WhatsApp group or our Telegram. 486 express entry applicants have been invited to file for a provincial nomination by the Ontario PNP. On October 6, Ontario hosted a fresh Human Capital Priorities Stream (HCP) stream draw after a 2-month break. If the 486 invited applicants fulfill all of the program's qualifying requirements, they may qualify for a provincial nomination to support their permanent residency application. If foreign employees receive a nomination via the Provincial Nominee Program (PNP) linked to the Express Entry system, they will receive an automatic 600 points toward their overall score. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program (OINP) targeted express entry candidates with scores of 463 to 467 on the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS). The OINP encouraged applicants to participate in this draw if they have work experience in one of the 18 vocations listed below. Other administrative services managers, NOC 0114. Banking, credit, and other investment managers, NOC 0122. Advertising, marketing, and public relations managers, NOC 0124. Other business services managers, NOC 0125. Engineering managers, NOC 0211. Managers in healthcare, NOC 0311. Corporate sales managers, NOC 0601. Restaurant and food service managers, NOC 0631. Construction managers, NOC 0711. Managers in transportation, NOC 0731. Manufacturing managers, NOC 0911. Human resources professionals, NOC 1121. Professions related to business management consulting, NOC 1122. Mathematicians, statisticians, and actuaries, NOC 2161. Registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, NOC 3012. Medical laboratory technologists, NOC 3211. Opticians, NOC 3231. Licensed practical nurses, NOC 3233. Invited express entry applicants must have at least 1 year of work experience in one of these occupations to get a provincial nomination. If they are nominated under this or any other express entry linked PNP, they will be pushed to the head of the line for an invitation to apply, ETA, for permanent residence. So far this year, Ontario has received 4,851 applications in this category. In addition, Ontario welcomed 6,716 express entry applicants for a provincial nomination through the HCP stream in 2020, making it the year's most popular express entry linked program. Express entry applicants nominated by a PNP receive an immediate 600 course points boost to their total score. This ensures that they will be invited to apply in a later express entry draw. During the pandemic, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, held PNP-only draws, in which candidates were only invited if they had a PNP. In 2020, Canada hosted PNP-only draws and all-program draws in the second part of the year, in which all applicants who scored over the CRS threshold were invited. Express Entry is the application management system for FSWP, FSTP, and CEC. Candidates who apply for Express Entry may thus be eligible for one or more of these programs. IRCC distributes points based on human capital factors such as age, employment experience, education, English or French language ability, and other variables once an applicant is approved into the Express Entry pool. The top scorers are then invited to enter an Express Entry lottery. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as we bring you more immigration news from Canada.